There is new ringtones, so there's obviously the reflection. Ooh, the new one. So that's a new one. There's also a couple more, so we'll just do that one. So it's like a little song. They're more... They're catchy. That one's pretty. That's like a calm ocean one, you know what I mean? Like if like you were meditating, this is kind of like the song it would be, you know? Yeah, this one's actually really pretty. You can hear the ocean in the background. Listen. Yeah, that's pretty. Or like the water or something, you know? That one's pretty. I'm liking all of these, guys. I'm really liking all of them. Doll up. They're so catchy. Apple like really did like a good job on these. That's a good one. They're all good. Milky Way, Quad, Rattle. There we go. That's a really pretty one. I like that one. I really like it. This one's called Story Time. Kind of sounds like something from like a story time, you know what I mean? This one kind of reminds me of like commercial videos, you know? That's pretty. And then the Valley. Yeah. And then we also have the obvious classics, but I really like them. There's text tones too. The normal one. That's a pretty one. I like the classic one. New voicemail, same thing. New mail is the same thing. So yeah, so those are really cool. I liked those. I like the little songs. Those ones are pretty cool.